Uneven cuts, wasted material, and imperfect belt preparation. These issues compromise splice quality and slow down laundry operations when precision matters most. Hi, I'm Dan Tuttle, and I'm here to showcase an essential tool that streamlines belt preparation, the number 25 tape cutter, the specialized cutting solution engineered exclusively for laundry tape. In laundry facilities, achieving consistently square, precise cuts on laundry tape has always been challenging. Manual cutting methods lead to uneven edges that compromise splice integrity and waste valuable material. The number 25 tape cutter delivers flawless results every time. Primary benefits include consistent cutting precision, reduced material waste, enhanced operator safety, and improved splice preparation efficiency. This purpose-built cutter is designed specifically for laundry tape materials. Operation couldn't be simpler. Lift the handle, insert your belt, bring the handle down, and run the blade over the belt. Within seconds, you have a perfectly squared and cut tape ready for fastener installation. Safety remains a priority, with integrated guarding that prevents operators from finger injuries or snags. This design ensures confident operation while maintaining cutting accuracy. Traditional approaches using utility knives or scissors produce inconsistent results, create safety hazards, and require multiple attempts to achieve proper squaring. The number 25 tape cutter delivers perfect cuts and squared belts consistently while upholding rigorous safety standards. As the ideal companion to the ARK-150, this cutter reduces splice preparation time and enhances overall splice quality. Elevate your belt preparation standards with Flexco's number 25 tape cutter. For more information on the number 25 tape cutter or any other Flexco solutions, visit www.flexco.com.